Today, I'm testing Nordy's new clothing swap feature. No GPU, no install, just drag, drop, and pray. First step, head to nordy.com. And search for Change Clothes. I will leave the workflow link in the description. You may need a quick sign up, it's easy and free. Step 2. You will find two sections, one for the shirt, or whatever. Don't forget use no background images for better results. And the second for the person you want to address. In my case here, Lakers t-shirt on Ronaldo. I'll show you now how to upload images. Step 3. Click on Queue and wait a few seconds. Step 4. If you like the result, just right-click on the generated photo and click Save. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos.